Tasty Buko Pandan by Friendship Menu. Ingredients: coconut, sugar, condensed milk, all-purpose cream, pandan flavoring, and jelly powder. First, put 5 cups of water into a pot. Add 1 pack of jelly powder, and stir well. Once the water boils, add 1/4 cup of sugar. Drain it using a strainer and set aside. Next, put 1 pack of all-purpose cream into a bowl. Make sure it is chilled overnight and beat it using a hand mixer, or you can use a wire whisk. Add 1 can of condensed milk. Make sure it is also chilled overnight. Mix thoroughly using a hand mixer, or you can use a wire whisk or a spatula. Slice the cooked jelly into square. Add 172.20 grams of coconut, then add the mixed all-purpose cream and condensed milk. Mix it together. Better to serve it cold. Thank you for watching!